Cooking is so much more than just preparing a meal. It's a dynamic and engaging educational opportunity that incorporates a wide range of subjects, all within the warmth of your own kitchen. Let's begin with mathematics. From measuring ingredients to adjusting recipes, cooking offers hands-on practice with numbers. Younger children can count spoonsful or compare volumes, while older learners can explore fractions, ratios, and conversions between units. Doubling or halving a recipe teaches practical applications of multiplication and division. Science is deeply embedded in the cooking process. Heat transforms ingredients through chemical and physical changes, from melting butter to baking bread. Discuss concepts such as states of matter, the Maillard reaction, or how yeast works in dough. For an experiment, compare how different variables like temperature or mixing times affect the final result. English skills naturally come into play when following recipes. Reading instructions, expanding vocabulary with cooking terms, and even writing their own recipe allow children to practice comprehension and language skills. Encourage them to describe the textures, flavors, and smells of the food they're creating to build sensory awareness. Cooking is also a practical way to explore geography and culture. Each dish tells a story about where it comes from and the people who traditionally prepare it. Exploring international recipes can introduce your child to world geography, history, and cultural traditions, fostering a sense of global awareness and appreciation. Art finds its way into cooking through presentation and creativity. Decorating biscuits, arranging a salad, or plating a dish allows children to express themselves visually. Encourage them to experiment with colors, patterns, and shapes, making each meal a canvas. Cooking provides endless opportunities for life skills. Planning a meal teaches organization and time management. Shopping for ingredients offers practice in budgeting, comparing prices, and making thoughtful decisions. Preparing food encourages independence and builds confidence, skills that will serve them for life. Don't forget history. Discuss how food trends have changed over time, or explore the historical significance of certain ingredients and dishes. For example, consider the role of spices in trade or the importance of bread throughout human civilization. Cooking is also an ideal way to reinforce health and nutrition. Use the opportunity to teach children about balanced meals, portion sizes, and the benefits of fresh ingredients. This encourages mindfulness about what they eat and empowers them to make healthier choices. To make cooking an engaging learning activity, involve your child in every stage of the process, from planning the menu to serving the meal. Let them take ownership of tasks appropriate to their age and skill level, such as chopping vegetables, stirring mixtures, or setting the table. The beauty of cooking is that it appeals to all ages and abilities. Younger children can learn through simple tasks like mixing and sprinkling, while older learners can delve into more complex techniques and recipes. And at the end of it all, there's the reward of enjoying something delicious together, a tangible reminder of the joy of learning. Cooking turns an everyday task into a rich, interdisciplinary experience. By involving your child in the process, you're not just making meals, you're creating opportunities to learn, connect, and savor the moment.